So good evening everybody. This is the second video for photons. So let's begin with the next question. It is that which color has lowest wavelength? So it is the violet. Out of figure we are talking about. Next is which color has highest refractive index? It is again the violet. Then we have which color has lowest refractive index? So it is for the red. Then is which color has maximum critical angle? It is again for the red. Then is which color has minimum critical angle? It is for violet. Then we have when light travels from one medium to another, which parameters of light remain same? So the parameters that remain same are frequency, energy, color, and the phase of light. It remains the same. Then is in the above question, which parameter changes? So the speed, wavelength, amplitude, and intensity of light changes when it gets refracted from one medium to another. Then we have another question that when light gets reflected from one medium, which parameter are changed? So it is the intensity, amplitude, velocity, and phase may change depending on the medium is denser or rarer. In case of denser medium, there is a phase change of pi, and in case of rarer medium, there is no phase change. Then we have the next question that during reflection, which parameter does not change? So the parameters that does not change are speed, wavelength, and frequency. Obviously color also does not change because it is dependent on the frequency itself. Then is energy and mass of the photon are related by the relation. So the relation here is E is equals to mc square. Then we have mass defect and energy are related by. So it's a famous mass energy equivalence as proposed by Sir Albert Einstein, and it was one of the papers that he published which made him a living legend. So it says like delta E is equals to delta m into c square, and it's the basis of nuclear reactions, the energy generation in atomic bombs, and even the stars itself. So this is how it's connected. Next is what is energy corresponding to 1 AMU. So if you use this expression and convert it into electron volt, it comes out to be 931.5 mega electron volt. So if 1 AMU mass disappears, it yields an energy of 931.5 mega electron volt. Then is what is energy corresponding to 1 gram. So corresponding to 1 gram using this equation is equals to mc square. We have 9 into 10 is to the power 13 joule. Then is another question that what is energy corresponding to 1 kg. So using the same expression is equals to mc square. We have 9 into 10 is to the power 16 joule. Then we have another question on a mirror and photon problem. It says that photons of momentum p, energy E, total power W are incident on a surface. If surface is purely reflective, then we need to find force on the surface. So using equation of Newton's second law, we can say that force is equal to rate of change of linear momentum. So from here we can calculate that force will be twice of W by C, where W is the power of the photons. Then using the same concept, pressure is force by area. So dividing the expression by area, we have watt by area, and power by area is the intensity. So pressure on the surface will be 2I by C. Then it's repeating the above question. If surface is purely absorptive, so these will get halved because it will be absorbed. So the answers will be W by C and I by C respectively. In case of any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.